Hi guys, welcome back. So the past couple of weeks I showed you about this glassine bag that I had, and we cut this off a couple of weeks ago, and we made this super cool pocket for this tapestry to reside in, and that's where it lives now. But what I wanted to show you today is how to use this piece that we ended up cutting off. And I think what I want to do is I want to use this page for this. Now, this is what's going to be called a belly band. And basically, it's just a tuck spot, but it doesn't have an end to it. It just goes completely through. So what I'm going to do for this, and there's a couple of different ways you can do it. Ooh, since this thing is actually, you know what? I have an idea. I've never done this before. All right, here we go, guys. All right, I'm going to make a weird flippy belly band, and I am going to take this little extra piece that's on here. Ooh, inspiration has struck me. And I'm going to use my glue stick, and I'm just going to put a little bit of glue down here because I'm going to come over with some washi tape over the top of it. And getting a little bit of messy. It's fine. It'll all come out in the wash, guys. It'll all come out in the wash. Also, don't put your books in the wash. It's a terrible idea. All right. So I'm just going to glue this guy down on here like so. And this is one of the brochures that I had from before. And we actually visited this chateau. I don't know how to pronounce this. I'm not even going to try. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it down so that I'm able to slip it in here. And I'm also going to come back over here on this little, I don't know, I guess it's a weird flip that we did. And I'm going to put down some washi tape just to secure it a little bit. All right, hang on, I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. So I don't really know what to call this thing that I just did. I'm going to call it a flip out belly band. I don't know what to call it. So here's the original picture. And there was text down at the bottom that I wanted to keep because it describes what this structure is. But unfortunately, it was a little bit too long to get in there. I didn't want to cut off the flag. So all I'm going to do with this guy is I'm just going to kind of slip him in here like this. And I really like these bags because you can see through it. So I'm going to take this piece that I had to cut off down here at the bottom, and then in that same brochure I found this little crown, so I'm just going to kind of stick that on there like that, again just with my regular glue stick, nothing fancy. And we're going to ignore that my finger's black because I've been gluing. That's apparently how I live my life these days. All right, so I'm just going to kind of stick this on here. I kind of want it on an angle for no reason other than that's what I want. And this crown that I cut out of that same brochure. And I'm just going to stick this guy on here like that. Again, I don't know why, but I just kind of like the way that looks. Now this thing is kind of slipping around a little bit, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some washi tape, I think, and I'm just going to kind of tape it there. But I still want it to be able to flip. Actually, it doesn't have to flip. Why would it have to flip? It doesn't have to. All right, but I am going to help out the washi tape with a little bit of glue. And, ooh, too much glue. Take it off. This is why I end up with glue on my fingers. And yeah, I'm just going to put this guy down right here. All right, so it ends up not being a flip, turns out. It ends up being just a regular belly band. And you know, since I did that, I might as well do this bottom part down here too. I'll just take a strip of this. Holy smokes, I have all the glue on my hands as per the norm, but it's okay. And here we go, a little bit more glue. And I'm just going to attach this down right here at the bottom. Got a little bit of glue there. I'm just going to wipe it off. It'll be okay. There we go. And wipe the glue on my pants. And there we go. Isn't that cool? I'm so glad we didn't have to walk up the side of this. Anyway, So that's how you can fully use an entire bag. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys also had a really great day. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.